So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here these 10 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic metals and their compound. So guys, this video will be about metals of the first transition series. So ensure to stay to the end of this video. Also, if you feel you want to answer any question here before we provide the answer, guys, you can always pause this video at any point to try to answer the question even before we provide the answer. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the following properties are characteristics of transition elements except A, fixed oxidation states, B, formation of complex ions, C, formation of colored compounds, D, catalytic abilities. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. There's fixed oxidation states. So transition elements are known for their variable oxidation states and not fixed oxidation states. So that's the correct answer to this question. Fixed oxidation state is not a characteristic of transition elements. So let's look at the next question here. Question number 2, it says, transition metals possess variable oxidation states because they have A, electrons in the s orbitals, B, partially filled p orbitals, C, a variable number of electrons in the p orbitals, and D, electrons in the d orbitals. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Actually, transition metals possess variable oxidation states because they have electrons in the d orbitals. So let's consider the next question. Question number 3. It says, a transition metal is expected to A, have low density, B, form oxides with different formula, C, have an atomic structure with an incomplete outermost shell, D, have strong oxidizing ability. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B. A transition metal is expected to form oxides with different formulas. So this is due to the unique electron configuration, which allows them to form multiple oxidation states. So that's the answer to this question here, guys. That's option B. So let's consider the next question. Question number 4 here. It says, silver is A, metalloid, B, transition metal, C, noble gas, D, non-metal. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. That's transition metal. Silver is a transition metal, and that's because it's located in the D block of the periodic table. So let's consider the next question. Question number 5. It says, which transition metal is known for its multiple color oxidation states and compounds used in pigments and paints? A, silver, B, zinc, C, gold, D, copper. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's copper. Copper is known for its multiple oxidation states, including the +1 and +2 oxidation states, and then its compounds are used in pigments and paints to create various colors such as blue and green. So that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 6 here. It says, a common characteristic between zinc and other transition elements is the ability to A, act as a catalyst, B, have variable oxidation states, C, form colored ions, D, form complex ions. So guys, the answer to this question here will be option D here. That's to form complex ions. Actually, zinc does not possess many of the properties of transition metals. It does not possess some of the properties such as the variable oxidation states. It actually has just one oxidation state. Its metallic ions are also not colored, and it's not used as a catalyst. But however, zinc actually forms complex ions just like other transition metals. So that's the answer to this question. So let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 7, it says transition metals possess variable oxidation states because they have... All right, so guys, we've answered this question before now, and the answer to this question is option D here, and that's electrons in the d orbitals. So let's consider the next question. Question number 8, it says metals of the transition series have special properties which are different from those of group 1 and 2 elements because they have partially filled A, p orbitals, B, L orbitals, C, d orbitals, D, s orbitals. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's d orbitals. Metals of the first transition series have special properties which are different from those of group 1 and group 2 elements because they have a partially filled d orbitals. So that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 9 here. It says, which of the following metals is passive to concentrated trioxonitrate 5 acid? A, copper, B, iron, C, zinc, D, tin. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B. Trioxonitrate 5 acid is usually transported in containers lined with either aluminium and iron. So guys, out of the options here, iron is the correct answer here. So let's consider the next and the last question. It says transition metals are the elements found between the A, group 2 and group 4, B, group 1 and group 4, C, group 3 and group 4, D, group 2 and group 3. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Transition elements are actually found between group 2 and group 3. That's it for that question, guys. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, don't forget to also share this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more people around. And we want to also use this medium to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by clicking on the join button below so that you can gain access to our premium information on JAMB updates. So guys, this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your JAMB examination. And guys, that will be all for this video. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.